Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I came across a post in one of the trading communities that I am a part of, and I had like this strong reaction to it. So I wanted to tell you what the post is and then also my opinion on it. And I'd love to hear what you all think. So this is the post. Daily profit targets are not a good idea. Some days the market won't give you the moves you are looking for, and having a daily profit target can make you force a trade. So I read this and I have two issues with this statement. First and foremost, I don't believe that it's having a profit target that would make me force a trade. The only reason I'm going to be forcing a trade is with a lack of discipline or if I'm not following my own rules. To my mind, having a daily profit target is a goal. That does not mean that I'm going to hit that goal every day. That is okay. But for me, I actually find them to be quite helpful and I do use them myself. So my first issue with this is we all need to take the responsibility that it's us. Like it's not having a daily profit target that's going to force things. If you're forcing things, you're just not trading well. You're just not being disciplined. Like that's the bottom line. The second thing that was a little bit frustrating about this statement is this person could have said, now I don't know this person, just to be clear. They could have said daily profit targets are not a good idea for me, like for this person. But instead, they just made a blanket statement. They're not a good idea. And my frustration with that is that people who are maybe looking up to others online, maybe these others are, successful traders. And then they're like, oh, well, if that person says it, then it must be true. Well, I don't believe that at all. But I feel like a lot of newer traders might be like, oh, well, then I shouldn't have a profit target. Maybe for some people, it's exactly what they need. My thing is always like, try it out, test it out, see what works for you. And if it doesn't work for you, we'll obviously stop doing it. If it does work for you, then keep doing it. Like I said, I do use profit targets, especially for the context in which I am trading, which is Apex Trader Funding. I find them to be very, very helpful. It helps me not like overdo it and over trade. Again, if I start over trading, that's a discipline issue, not a daily profit target issue. So let's just be clear what we are talking about. And most importantly, test things out for yourself. Try them out for you. If you don't like them, if they don't feel good, if they don't like fit with your style of trading, chuck them out. Even if it's my stuff, even if it's the Daily Rage and you're like, yeah, I don't get it, whatever she's talking about, then do not listen to it. I'm totally fine with that. Make sure it works for you and make sure that you are like checking in with yourself about what is true for you, not just blindly following somebody because they posted in a group and they're like, oh, well, that's how it is. Not necessarily. I would say question all of that. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.